Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Gender Study and we will discuss about gender difference, nature versus nurture. So today topic is genetic factor and gender. Genes play a major role in how one physically looks as well as if a person is born male or female. Most individuals have two sex chromosomes that are inherited from each parent. Girls contain the XX and XY for boys. However, genes and chromosomes sometimes contain differences that can lead to different physical feature can be appear abnormal. One of these syndromes is called Turner syndrome, and this syndrome causes individual to only inherit one chromosome. When this occur, ovaries testes will not be developed. Many different genetic discoveries are being made, and some scientists conclude that our genes can essentially tell our future, our physical appearance, as well as different uh, predispositions to illness that will develop based on one genetic code. Genes also show a correlation between one's gender role and cannot be altered by nurture. Next one is homosexuality and gender. Homosexuality and gender play a significant role in the debate between nature and nurture, primarily due to gender being viewed as a being nature or nurture, but also because of the significant finding that have been established to the cause of homosexuality. The cause being it if homosexuality is something bisexual or socially learned. Homosexuality causes debate. There has been numerous culture wars, not only in the United States but also worldwide, as to the cause of homosexuality. This debate has raised significant question as to the cause of homosexuality and if homosexuals have the ability to nurture into homosexuality or if certain biological factor attribute to one being a homosexual. These arguments have been established not only by use of different social learning theories which are similar to the genetic social learning theory, but also with different neuroscience evidence and aspects of rearing children in a homosexual environment. Next one is brain development. Brain development, the advancement of neuroscience can have shown plausibility that there is a difference in homosexual brain scan as compared to heterosexual brain scan. The part of the brain that is associated with behavior and reproductive physiology known as the interstitial nuclei of the anterior hypothalamus is shown to be longer in heterosexual male compared to homosexual male. This show there is a structural difference between heterosexual males and homosexual males, which allow for plausibility that is that this is significant difference is associated with homosexual being biologically and not part of different learning theories. So parent sexual orientation. While some Researchers argue that homosexuality is a learned behavior. There is a significant evidence to support the children raised by homosexual do not necessarily because homosexual uh, become homosexual. This conclusions of these study have showed there is no direct correlation with children being raised by homosexual as learning and behavior or gender roles of the or rearing couple sexual preference or gender roles. In fact, studies showed that the majority of the children that grow up with lesbian or gay parents grow up establishing their own identities as a heterosexual. Though some argue the test subject parenting or to homosexual couples raising children in weird and vague and difficult to isolate and identify. More test subject the plausibility remain that there has no more evidence to support there is a correlation between individual that were raised by homosexual as a learning the behavior from the homosexual. uh, तो गाइस ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।